Today, we're going to talk about how Russian airlines are circumventing Western sanctions on aircraft parts. As you know, Western countries have imposed a wide range of sanctions on Russia in response to its invasion of Ukraine. These sanctions have targeted Russia's economy, its financial system, and its military. The sanctions have also targeted the aviation industry, making it more difficult for Russian airlines to obtain parts and services. However, a recent analysis of Russian customs records has found that Russian airlines have found ways to circumvent these sanctions. The analysis found that Russian airlines have imported at least $1.2 billion worth of aircraft parts from countries including Tajikistan, the UAE, Turkey, China, and Kyrgyzstan. These parts, which ranged from essential items needed to keep a jet airworthy to more mundane spares, such as coffee makers and toilet seats, were shipped to Russia through middlemen in these countries, many of which have not endorsed Western sanctions on Russia. One of the most common ways that Russian airlines have been circumventing the sanctions is by importing parts from countries that are not subject to the restrictions. For example, a Russian airline might import parts from China or Turkey and then reroute them through a third country, such as the UAE, to make it appear as if they originated from a non-sanctioned country. Another way that Russian airlines have been circumventing the sanctions is by using middlemen. These middlemen often have connections in multiple countries and can help to arrange the shipment of parts to Russia without the knowledge of the original supplier. For example, in July 2022, high-tech laser gyroscopes were shipped to Ural Airlines via the UAE by Istikloliyat 20, a civil engineering company based in Tajikistan. Western manufacturers are aware of the circumvention of sanctions and are working to crack down on it. However, it is a complex issue, and it is likely that Russian airlines will continue to find ways to get the parts they need. Please like and subscribe for more informative aviation content.